Hey guys, so welcome back to your daily entertainment bar show right here on undying TV. If you are new here and you haven't subscribed to this channel, can you subscribe to this channel by clicking on the subscribe button below and also click on the bell icon so that anytime I drop a new content, you'll be the first to be notified. Yeah, so guys, let me run this by you. Yeah, so undying TV is calling on entrepreneurs, business owners, and sole proprietors. What have you? If you are into any business and you want your business to reach a larger audience, we are calling on you guys to actually advertise with us at affordable prices. So you can call 0245450996 if you are interested. And also I'm going to put the flyer on the screen so that in case you are interested, you just call and we do business on this particular channel. Yeah, so straight to these bars, we have Akua Addo for the first time reacts to viral reports about the alleged baby mama of her husband. Yeah, so actress model Akua Addo was hosted on Peace FM's entertainment review show by Akua Addo on Saturday, March 20th, 2021. The interview touched on a lot of issues in her life, including the viral reports about the supposed baby mama of her husband. Akua Addo, reaching to all those rumors, stated that she has been married to her husband for about 13 years now. And in this period, she has heard these reports just like many others have. However, she has taken a very firm decision not to make any form of public statement on it because she believes it is something that her husband must react to. That is, if he finds it prudent and not her. The award-winning slay queen added that her focus as a wife and mother of two adorable kids is to make sure that there is peace, love and harmony at her marital home and that her children are also well catered for. Okay guys, watch the video and also don't forget to also drop your comment or opinion on this particular issue in the comment section below.
Almost 13 years now in Hamilton. Wow. Yeah. Thank you.
How is it like? if you have been married for 13 years.
I think the key is my partner has decided to be at the back, to take the back seat, and then let me work. And when I'm outside, I'm Akua, but when I'm in the house, I'm Rosemond. The girl he met, there wasn't anything Akua doing everything, and that has been my balance. I don't let my work interfere. It hasn't been an easy journey at all. And yet, easy to meeting American. We've had a lot of downs, a lot, but we've grown as people along the way.
There was this stories about say what could you be say also no or bad yes say you also are say what's this whole story about? Michael.
Also, you can say $70 and send you over a dose. You don't have control over it. And now, as I say, minimum over Yawamba. And I feel say negotiating for Obia team and the was coming here. I feel say this very sensitive question I want to speak on his behalf. Because say Bibina said to someone, he should be the right person. But moving forward, I can guarantee you this. And it's for me to say, my home, myself and my partner, we've grown over everything. We are stronger, we are better. Yes, we've always lived together. But before, not UK. Meeting, and in Panamanian, and relocating as a one that's not Ghana. And we have a bracket.
Because of meeting
Patch your eye. Patch eye.
Because I imagine say UK now relocating to Ghana.
Yes, because Miss Mekatra, my German background, I've traveled, and when I came home, I felt I have a very good connect here. It's nice that they are doing both business wise and everything. We felt from Alana it will be a good opportunity to start them from here. Maybe at actually going to go university or maybe approach her, why not? But for now, we live together.
So a lot of families, you know, they bring